In the dim twilight, under the ancient sky, the tale of the Trojan War unfolds. It's not just a sequence of events on history's stones. It's a living world of passion, intrigue, and grandeur. This story is woven from myth and bits of truth deep in the earth. It starts with a city, Troy. Troy was splendid and mighty. Its walls were a testament to the peak of the Bronze Age. The city nestles near the whispering waters of the Dardanelles. Divine hands sowed the seeds of conflict in a garden of celestial spite. Eris was the goddess of discord. They did not invite her and scorned her. She gave the gods a golden apple inscribed to the fairest. This ignited a dispute among Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, fueled by vanity. Paris was a shepherd on Mount Ida. He was the prince of Troy, but did not know it. He lived among the flocks and meadows. He became the judge of the beauty contest. Each goddess offered him a bribe.
I'm too old and too experienced to have you or anyone else in this family tell me what to do.
Hera offered power. Athena offered wisdom in war. Aphrodite offered the love of the world's most beautiful woman. The promise of love swayed Paris. He awarded the apple to Aphrodite. This set in motion the wheels of fate that doomed his city. Helen of Sparta gained fame for her beauty, and Aphrodite promised her a reward. Yet she did not allow someone to win her as a prize. Instead, she chose to marry Menelaus, the king of Sparta, as his queen. Paris abducted Helen. In some tales, it was an elopement. It was not just a personal slight to Menelaus. It ignited a powder keg of alliances and oaths among the kings and princes of Greece. These bound them to a cause, the siege of Troy. Heroes heeded the call to arms. Their names would echo through the ages. Achilles had unmatched strength and skill, but a hidden and fatal flaw. Odysseus was wily and wise. He would endure a journey as epic as the war. Ajax was towering and mighty. His name evoked the impenetrable walls they would clash against. They had a fleet of 1,000 ships. They crossed the wine-dark seas and converged on Troy in a storm of steel and wrath. For 10 years, the plains before Troy were full of the clash of bronze. They were also full of the cries of the fallen and the valor of heroes. The gods themselves divided their loyalties. They walked the earth, tipping the scales with their divine whims. Amid this cosmic drama and human bravery, the war raged. It was a cycle of siege and sally, victory and defeat. It was as fickle as the winds that swept the Hellespont. When it came, the end was as cunning as it was brutal. The Trojan Horse, a ruse devised by Odysseus, brought the city to its knees. The Greeks hid within the wooden horse. They opened the gates from within. This lets them unleash slaughter and flame on the unsuspecting city. Troy fell, its heroes slain, its treasures looted, and its people enslaved or scattered. The war, at last, was over, but the saga of those who fought it, both mortal and divine, was beginning. The journey home was perilous for the victors. It was a sign of the gods' fickleness and the lasting anger of their foes. Odysseus wandered for years, cursed by Poseidon's wrath. Someone had stolen Agamemnon's kingdom, and he returned to reclaim it. His wife and her lover shared his bed. His life ended in treachery and murder. Its glory turned to ashes. Epic and tragedy immortalized its name. Troy stood as a testament to the folly of gods and men. The Trojan War has many sides. It's a mirror of humanity's hopes and fears. It's a saga of love and loss, of bravery and villainy. It's the enduring quest for glory and the shadow of hubris. It is a story that transcends time, a story that, like the heroes who lived it, will never die. Thanks for watching. If you love diving into today's video, hit like to let us know. Ready for more? Click subscribe and tap the bell for the freshest updates. Don't miss our latest gem in the Fresh Off the Press playlist. For more intriguing tales, check out our other videos. Your next favorite story awaits.